Hi, my name is Travis Robertson. I am in drafting second period, and this is my hinge attached to two pieces of wood. I was going to put a little drawing of a door on it, but I didn't. Um, so it works really well and it slides really easy. You can flick it. Um, it's, it's, I think this hinge is perfect. I didn't have I didn't have enough screws to hook all of them, but it's fine. Um, if you, it doesn't really go unless you actually touch it and move it. But I think it's really perfect. Um, for the tolerances on it, there is a total in between the these pieces right here. There's a total of 10 thousandths. So on in each little one in between, there's 5 thousandths. Same with the pin and the outside of the where it fits down in here. And yeah, that's pretty much it.